If you're looking for a Zapier or Make alternative that's free and open source, I have you covered. It's called ActivePieces, and yes, they do have a paid plan, but in this case, we're going to cover the open source version that you can install on your VPS. Now, be aware that this is going to be just as easy to use as Zapier and easier to use than Make. So let's get started. This is ActivePieces, and if you jump over to their website, you'll find over in their pricing that they have their standard version, which is free, but then it costs you $5 per active flow. Then it doesn't become free at all. Then you got your custom one, but then we have the Community Edition that is completely free and open source from GitHub. Now, installing this can get complicated if you do it through GitHub, but in this case, I'm going to show you how to do it really easily with Hostinger. So in this case, I'm going to use the open source version of ActivePieces to install on a Hostinger VPS. Now, speaking of Hostinger, they are the sponsor for this video. They are providing the VPS so we can install ActivePieces in one-click install. That means there's not going to be any hassle at all to install ActivePieces. Now, they have several affordable plans that you can choose from right now. Check out that link in the description, and I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code that's going to drop the price even more. So you can grab KVM 1 or KVM 2, which is the most popular one, and I'm going to show you how to apply this coupon code. Plus, you'll be able to install multiple applications, not just one, on this VPS. So let me go ahead and show you the plan right now. Now, first thing you need to do is select the amount of months that you want to pay here on Hostinger. I recommend 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Plus, we're going to be able to apply a coupon code that's going to drop the price even more. So let's go ahead and apply this, and the price is going to drop to $194 with 18 cents for the 2 years paid off. So definitely a great plan. Okay, so now back to the installation process for ActivePieces. In this case, I'm already inside my VPS. So if you head on over to your Hostinger hPanel, go to your VPSs here, select the VPS that you've just purchased, and you can go ahead and install Docker. Once you have Docker, you have the Docker Manager where you can install multiple applications, including ActivePieces. To do it, it's going to be super easy. Just go ahead and go to Compose, one-click deploy. Let's go ahead and search for ActivePieces. Here it is. Go ahead and select this and deploy. In about 3 to 5 minutes, it's going to be ready for us to use. In this case, I already have one installed right here. And let's go ahead and open this up right now. Now, the first thing when you open up your ActivePieces installation, it's going to ask for your name, email, and the password that you're going to use to log in as the administrator for this account. Now, once you do this, you'll be able to start using ActivePieces right away. Now, first thing I would recommend is checking the Explore option because you'll find templates available that you can start using right away. Remember, this is running on my VPS. It's not running over there on ActivePieces hosting system. So it's practical in that sense. Plus, it's way more secure. So for example, if I want to do a daily task, I can go ahead and select this one and it's going to launch the flow for me. So I can view this. I'm good to go. Let's go ahead and use this template. Let's go ahead and uncategorize this. We're good to go. And now we're able to set this up. So just go ahead and select any of the elements, just like you would, for example, with Zapier, and set every piece of this flow up right here. Now, one of the cool things I like about this is that you don't need API keys to, for example, use Google. Some of the open source systems do require that you go through that process to set up everything on Google, get the API keys, and set this up. In this case, you don't have to do that. You can go ahead and create a connection. Go ahead and connect right now, and it'll just go ahead and select the account and log in, and you'll be able to connect, which is super practical because in other type of systems that are open source, you might need to set up every single piece up. So it's a big hassle. Let's go back to ActivePieces. Let's create a new one. Let's create a new flow from scratch, and you'll see how easy this is. So as any of the automation systems, you need a trigger. So for example, in this case, it could be something like a webhook or from an application. But webhooks are super practical. For example, if I have a form over there on JotForm, on any other type of form builder, when a form is submitted, I can catch it right here with the webhook. Then continue the flow with something else, like for example, ChatGPT, to understand what the question is about. Maybe I want to do a sentiment analysis system where it analyzes the form submission with the details. I can do it with ChatGPT right here. Just go ahead and create a brand new connection, add your API key for a OpenAI, and you'll be good to go to start using. Just go ahead and continue the flow. So you have all the available applications here. You can explore, you got your apps, utilities for connections, crypto, CSV, data mapper, you got filters. There's all of these tools available here that you can start using. Then there's also approvals that you can use right here. So this open source version of ActivePieces is really extensive, really powerful, especially because it's going to be free and unlimited. You can create as many flows as you want you can activate these and start using it right away. So the only cost that you're going to have is the actual VPS that you need to pay to launch this. You can see here, this one's already launched. Let's go ahead and open this up just to show you how that's going to look at the beginning. So when you first launch ActivePieces on the Docker, it'll ask you to add the name, last name, email, and the password, and you'll be good to go to start using ActivePieces, just like I showed you right now. So it's super easy and practical with this one-click install here on hPanel Docker. So what are you waiting for? Get a VPS that's super affordable and install multiple applications on the Docker. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.